Hi guys, today we are going to solve the question which is asked me as Sbi Clerk means April 2025. So this is the question. In the question it is given 50% of the solid sphere is melted to form a cubes of side. This is 64 by 336 of a radius of the sphere. If the curved surface of the area of the sphere is 5544 square centimeter, find the maximum number of cubes that can be formed. So I will just stipulate it. So initially one solid sphere is there. In 3D it will be sphere. So in 2D we just I'm for showing I'm drawing as a circle. So it is a sphere is a 3D. So sphere. So 50% is melted. So 50% the solid sphere is melted to form a cube. So total it is 100. We 50% melted to form a cube, of which side of cube is 64 by 336 radius. So this is the r is the radius of the sphere. So it is total. So 50% we melted, and we converted it to cubes of side this one. So we need to find in whatever quantity we melted, in that how much cubes we are able to find. So we need to find the maximum number of cubes that can be formed. Once again I will explain. So total it is pair. So we melted 50%. So 50% we melted. After that we need to find the side is given this much sides of cube, how much it is formed. So we need to find this one. Initially spare is there, we melted 50%. After that we need to find in that 50% how much cubes are formed of side this. So initially we'll saw step by step. So initially they have given 50% solid sphere. Okay, so the initially we will find the radius. So for getting radius they have given info. Curved surface area of the sphere is 5544. So curved surface area is given 5544 centimeter square. So formula for curved surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square equal to 5544. So curved surface area is this one. So r square will be, so curved surface of area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So 5544 divided by 4 pi. So we can write that like this. So for okay, so we will do first this. So 5544 by 4. So it is 1. Okay, here 15. So it is 3. 34. So it is 8. 32. So 4. So it will be r square will be, it is 4 1386. So 1386 divided by pi 1386, and value of pi is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7. So 1386 into 7 by 22. Here it is dividend means this one. So we need to reverse it, or you can directly try 7 by 22. So it is in divided, so we need to reverse here. Okay, so here up to here we have solved. So 1386 into 7. Okay, 1386 into 7. Okay, it is 6 1. Okay, 6 it is. Okay, 76 is 24. Okay, it is 0660. There is a, so it is 27. Okay, so 1386 into 7 is 9702 divided by 22. So here up to here we have found. So we can 21 4 is 88. 88 means 97. So it will be, so we'll solve here only. 9702. Okay, it is 4 is 88. So in 97 88 means it is 9. Okay, so once again 4 88 2 so 2 so it is 441. So r square is 441. So value of r will be root of 441, so it is 21. So value of r we have found, it is 21. So from here we have found the value of r. So using curved surface area we have found the value of r. So now we will find the volume of the sphere. So volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is the formula for volume of the sphere. 4 by 3 pi means 22 by 7 and it is 21 cube. 4 by 3 22 by 7, so 21 cube is 9261. Okay, so next we will solve this. 4 by 3 22 by 7, so 22 will write here. So after that we will 9261 divided by 7 we will do. So 1, so it is 2, so synthesis, so 14 1 2 3 2. Okay, so we'll solve this in next, or one step I will just write here. 4 by 3 into 22 into 1323. So up to here we'll solve in next page. So volume we can write 4 by 3 22 1323. Okay, so next we will solve. So we will now try 1323 into 22. So 1323 into 2 will be 2646. So again it is 22, so it will be 64, so 6 2, so it is 6 root 0 1, so it is so 11 9. Okay, so 4 by 3 it is 29106. After that we will 29106, it is 3, so 3 9s are 27, so 3 7s are 21, 0 at least, so it will be, it is 2, so 4 into, yeah, so we have divided 2190 divided by 3, so it is 9702. So volume of sphere is, so 9702 into 4 is 2 into 4 is 8, 0 4 7 are 28, 4 and 36 38808. So volume of sphere is 38808. So now we have found the radius of the sphere and volume of the sphere also. So next we have to find, so we have found the radius and sphere also. Next we have to find the either we can find this one, or we will just, in the question it is given 50% of the solid sphere. So 50% of the solid sphere is converted to cube of side this one. So 50% of the solid sphere means total solid sphere is this one. So 50% means half of this. So 50% of V sphere is 38,808 divided by 2. So it is 19,404. So 50% of sphere is 19,404. So this is converted to, so 50% of sphere is converted to cube of side, cubes of side this. So 50%, so this much of volume is converted to cube of side, 64 3/36 of radius of sphere, 64 336 radius of sphere. Okay, so side of cube we can find cube. It is 64 336. So radius we have found, it is 21. So side of cube is, so we can solve this. If you multiply 16, here it is 4, here it is 21. 21 21 will cancel, so it is 4. So side of cube is 4 centimeter. So volume will be side cube. Volume of cube is side cube. So 4 cube. So 4 cube is 64. So 50% of the means total volume of the sphere is this one. So we have converted the 50% of sphere into cubes of side 4 centimeter. So total volume of cube is 64. So we need to, in 50% of volume of sphere is this one. So in that, how much cubes we can do? Just we need to divide here. So this is the 50% of sphere, and we need to divide by volume of the cube. So this much numbers of cubes are formed. So in question what they were asked, there is total sphere, 50% is converted into cubes of side this one. So total volume of the sphere is 38808. So 50% means this one, 19404. So in 19404, how much cubes will be formed of side 4 centimeters? So volume of cube is 64 centimeter cube. So in how much it is formed? So it is 194 divided by 4. So this much numbers of cubes will be formed. So we can divide this one. So here I will just write 64 194. Okay, so here it is a 3. 64 into 3 is 192. So it is 2 0. So it is not divisible, so here we will take 0. So here 4. So again it is 303 192. So here it will be 8. 6 into 8. So further also by giving point you can solve, but in question they have given in whole number only. So this is the answer, 303. So this much numbers of cubes are formed when half of the volume of the sphere is taken. So our answer is 303. So our answer is 303. So whenever they have given the sphere, so 50%, so how much cubes will be formed in that 50% melted area, melted volume? So it is 303. So initially it is 100%, 50% is melted. In that, how much cubes are formed of this side? 303. So this is the way to solve the guys. Thank you.